friends, welcome back to my channel Train Your Brain. So today let's talk about a new topic, food. From where does it come from? So in this lesson we are going to study about parts of plant, varieties of food, ingredients and sources of food. So our first topic is food variety. So as you know that we eat lots of variety of food. Okay, food is very much essential for living organism. हम जो फूड खाते हैं वो हमारे हेल्थ के लिए, हमारे ग्रोथ के लिए काफ़ी इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है, काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट रोल जो है वो प्ले करता है. फूड जो है हमें एनर्जी देता है वर्क के लिए, ओके, हमारे बॉडी का डेवलपमेंट करता है, ठीक है, हमारी ग्रोथ के लिए काफ़ी इम्पॉर्टेंट है, ठीक है, और जितने भी हमारे ऑर्गन्स है वो काफ़ी अच्छे से फंक्शन हो, इसीलिए फूड जो है एक वाइटल रोल जो है वो प्ले करता है. So basically food is very much essential source for our body, for our growth, for our development, okay. It gives us energy. To make our food tasty, we add ingredients to it, okay. Now so ingredients जो है ये ऐसे spices होते हैं, mixture of spices होते हैं जो हमारे food को जो है वो tasty बनाते हैं. So that's why we use ingredients in our day to day food, okay. So ये जो ingredients है ये हमें कहाँ से मिलते हैं? तो एक तो इंग्रेडिएंट का सोर्स होता है प्लांट सोर्स या फिर होता है एनिमल सोर्स, ठीक है. इन दोनों सोर्सेस से हमें इंग्रेडिएंट्स जो है वो मिलते हैं. जैसे प्लांट से हमें मिलता है सीरियल्स है, वेजिटेबल्स है, फ्रूट्स है, ठीक है, ये सारी चीज़ें हमें प्लांट से मिलती है. और एनिमल सोर्सेस से हमें मिलते हैं मिल्क, मीट एंड एग्स. सो हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है प्लांट एज अ सोर्स ऑफ फूड. सो वी नीड वेराइटी ऑफ प्लांट प्रोडक्ट्स, ओके, फॉर आर वर्किंग कंडीशन ऑफ आर बॉडी. So nutrients that we get from the plants, it helps to maintain the perfect working condition of our body, okay. And as you know that plants are autotrophs. Now what is mean by autotrophs? Autotrophs means the plants that can make their own food, okay. They are called as the autotrophs, self food maker, okay. And they make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Now what is mean by process of photosynthesis? So plant make their own food in presence of sunlight, water, carbon dioxide with presence of chlorophyll, okay. They make their own food. This process is called as the photosynthesis process. और humans जो होते हैं वो प्लांट का हर एक पार्ट जो है वो कंज्यूम करते हैं. जैसे फ्रूट्स है, स्टेम्स है, रूट्स है, लीव्स है, we consume all plant parts, okay. Now let's talk about the parts of the plant. So plant have various type of parts like flower, leaves, fruit, stem and seeds. So now let's talk about the roots. So in the roots we eat lots of fruits like turnip, radish, beetroot and sweet potato. All the roots we can consume. So then in stem we eat lots of stem like sugarcane, ginger, onion, okay, they all are the stems. Potato also a stem, okay. Potato जो है that is not the root, it is the stem. उसमें जो है leaves आते हैं, roots आते हैं, that means potato is the stem. आप अगर अनियन को बरीड करोगे जमीन में, ठीक है, तो आप देखोगे कि leaves आ जाते हैं, ठीक है. So that means onion is the stem. Then leaves, we consume lots of leaves in form of lettuce, cabbage, mint leaves and curry leaves. Then next one is the flowers. हम बहुत सारे flowers खाते हैं in form of cauliflower, broccoli, then banana flower, pumpkin flower also, okay. So in this form we can eat, we can consume flowers. Then let's talk about the fruits. As you know that fruit, we get lots of minerals and vitamins from the fruit, okay. And the fruits are mango, banana, apple, pear, grapes, okay. बहुत सारे जो fruits हैं वो हम consume करते हैं. Then seeds, we consume seeds in form of grains, pulses and lots of oil seeds like mustard seed and groundnut, coconut and sunflower seeds. Now let's talk about cereals and pulses. So in cereals like maize, wheat, grains. Now let's talk about the pulses. For example, groundnuts, soya bean. We get lots of protein from the pulses. Then we also consume lots of vegetables, and the vegetables like carrot, potato, tomato, brinjal, ladyfinger, bottle gourd and cauliflower, cabbage, etc. Okay, they are rich in potassium and dietary fibers, vitamin A and vitamin C. Now let's talk about the spices. There is no food without spices. अगर हम spices ऐड नहीं करेंगे तो जो food है वो tasteless हो जाएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल टर्मरिक है, जिंजर है, ब्लैक पेपर है। एंड स्पाइसेस में मेडिसिनल वैल्यू भी होती है, ठीक है। ये हमारे फूड को भी टेस्टी बनाता है एज वेल एज हमें हेल्दी भी रखता है। So now let's talk about the sprouts. So sprouts are very much nutritious in nature. It is having protein inside it. Okay, it is rich in protein. For example, lentil, pea, chickpea, soya bean, and mung beans. Now let's talk about the animal sources as a food. Okay, so we get lots of food from the animals like honey, meat, eggs. Okay, we get lots of food from them. So milk is very much nutritious. It is rich in calcium, and we get milk from cows, buffaloes, goats, sheep, and camels. Milk is also rich in vitamin A, B12, and vitamin D. Now let's talk about the eggs. Eggs are rich in protein, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, and vitamin D. Okay, and we get eggs from quails, geese, ducks, hens, etc. Now the next one is meat. Meat is the flesh of animals. We get meat from goat, chicken, fish, okay, and meats are very much rich in proteins. Then next one is the seafood. The examples of seafoods are fishes, crabs, prawns, oyster, okay, and lots of the variety of fish. And the fishes are rich in proteins, and all seafoods are rich in iodine. The next one is honey. Honey is the sweet liquid made by bees from the nectar of flowers. Okay. So now our next topic is what does animal eat? Okay. So जैसे कि हम जो है हम वेजिटेबल्स खाते हैं, फ्रूट्स खाते हैं, स्पाइसेस खाते हैं, ठीक है, वैसे ही प्लांट्स भी अपना फूड जो है वो खुद तैयार करते हैं. प्लांट्स आर ऑटोट्रॉप्स, ठीक है. By the process of photosynthesis, plants also make their own food and they consume it. So animals जो है according to food habits, they are categorized into 3 types. For example, first one is the herbivores, then second one is the carnivores, and third one is the omnivores. So first one is the herbivores. So what is mean by herbivores? So herbivores are the animals that consume only plant and plant products. They are known as the herbivores. For example है cows, buffaloes, deer, elephant, rabbits, etc. Okay. Now the next one is the carnivores. Carnivores are the animals that eat flesh of the other animals. For example, lions, tigers, leopards, cheetah, black panther, etc. Now the last one is the omnivores. Omnivores are the animals that feeds on both plants and animals. Okay. For example, bears, rats, dogs, cats, etc. So dear friends, as you know that food is very much important and essential for our life. Food provides us lots of nutrients, vitamins and minerals and keeps us away from the diseases. So we should eat healthy food regularly. Okay, so dear friends, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand this topic, and if you understand the topic, you can like, share and subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.